Are you currently using a stock Intel or AMD CPU cooler? Well, you probably shouldn't be. Stock coolers are designed to only offer the CPU enough cooling to pretty much run, and that's it. Many people tend to think that upgrading CPU coolers costs a lot, but in all honesty, you can achieve a significant increase in performance and cooling for around $30. I used to think that unless you spent over $50 on a CPU cooler, that anything you bought was pretty much going to be comparable to just the stock cooler. However, I was far from right. My misconceptions aside, buying an upgraded air cooler is inexpensive and will allow your CPU to run at a much lower temperature, which will prolong its life, and it will give you some room for overclocking if your CPU can support that. The cooler I would personally recommend, based on the fact that I have bought it, researched it, and I have been using it, is the ID Cooling SE-914-XT basic CPU cooler. For around $30, you're getting a really nice sturdy build, a single well-built fan, and a good size heatsink. Additionally, it is compatible with both Intel LGA and AMD AM4 sockets using different included brackets. So it looks nice, it feels nice, and it has great compatibility. But what about the cooling? Well, for me, my temps with a stock cooler were between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius, but with the ID Cooling SE-914-XT, they've been brought down into the 30 to 40 Celsius range, which is a massive improvement. Whatever CPU you may be using, this cooler is going to significantly reduce temps and make your CPU last much longer. It doesn't cost much to get a significant upgrade from a stock cooler, but it is by far worth the purchase. You don't have to buy this exact product, but the ID cooler has really exceeded my expectations, and that's why I'm recommending it. If you would like to check it out, I will have it linked down below. Alright everyone, there you go. If you own a stock cooler and you haven't felt like upgrading, it's really a wise choice and will improve your CPU's overall performance for really not a lot of money. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.